Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to send your Instagram highlight using the Instagram app on your PC, especially with the latest update. It's a quick and easy process that lets you share your favorite moments directly through Instagram Messenger. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you straight to your profile page, where all your posts and highlights are displayed. Next, just under your bio, you'll see your highlights. These are the collections of stories you've saved to showcase on your profile. Find the specific highlight you want to share and click on it to open. Now, here's a neat trick. Look up at the address bar in your browser. You'll see the direct link to that highlight. Click on the link to select it, then right-click and choose Copy. This copies the exact URL of your highlight, ready to be shared. After copying the link, head over to the Messenger section on Instagram. You can find Messenger in the left side menu of the app. Click on it to open your messages. Inside Messenger, open the chat where you want to send your highlight. Once you're in the conversation, right-click in the message box and select Paste to drop the link you copied earlier. Finally, hit Send, and your friend or group will get direct access to your highlight instantly. And that's all there is to it. Sharing your Instagram highlights on PC has never been simpler. This method is perfect for quickly sending your favorite moments without leaving the Instagram app. Give it a try and keep your friends updated with your best stories. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy Instagram tips and tricks.